This is a massage chair that I took apart. Someone threw it on the curb. And I would like to show you what I got. This is the controller board. It's not something I'm gonna use because there is nothing inside, that's for sure, but I just brought it to take it apart and have a look. I got 4 DC motors. This one is 110 volt. I think all of them are 110 volt DC. This is the other one. And these two. Also 110 volt. 110 volt. What I needed from the massage chair is the pumps. I was interested in the pumps. Here we have 2 pumps, solenoids to control the valves. These pumps also 110 volts, I believe, because I have one already from a different massage chair and it's also 110. I don't know why massage chairs are 110 volt instead of 220. I also got the what they call them, the air chambers that get inflated to make pressure to your feet, arms, whatever. All the tubings and the main board. So this is the main board. We have 8 more solenoids with the valves to control the airflow. 3 transformers. This is the main one, 240 volts to 110. So it converts the mains 240 to 110. And these two from 110 to 14 volts, 2 amps, and 30 volts, 1.5 amps. This one from 110 to 12. So these are useless without this one, because the input is 110. Here we have 3 or maybe 2 vibrator motors. They were hidden in the kitchen. Inside there is a motor with a half circle that rotate and make vibration. There is this thing, this small board, and it was to the outside. I wasn't sure what is it. I thought maybe it's a wireless controller or something. There are 2 LEDs, red and green. There is an audio jack here maybe, and this is the connectors. And there's this thing which I thought it says a fuse or something, but then I found out it's a USB. So also I thought maybe it's a key, and maybe it's a key, I don't know, but it's more likely it's a media device, because here it says it's 16 gigabyte. I don't know if this is visible. 16 gigabyte. So this is just a regular USB stick with 2 heads. Yeah, probably it's just a media player, and because the control board here we have media control buttons for music. I didn't test this yet. I will test it later at the end of this video and see. Maybe probably there's relaxation music or something, I don't know. Here we have daughter board. I don't know what this board is for. We have VCC, RX, TX, GND, and I don't know, sensor board or something goes here. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Unfortunately, I will get rid of everything. I will keep the transformers, the solenoid valves, these vibrators, the control board, I mean the media board, and the pumps. Of course the motors, but the rest of the electronics I will get rid of. Before I used to keep every single component, but now I have heaps, too many, even there is no place in my workshop. So from now on I will get rid of these. We'll take some heat sinks, put them with the collection. I'm not sure about the relays. I have also a big collection of relays. This is the input-output interface. Here, because as you can see, we have, I think it's, yeah, I'm not sure, maybe. I thought maybe it's audio interface. Let's start stripping it off, remove the 110 volts. Now let's see what's inside this. Okay, I'm shooting with my phone right now because the camera corrupted my SD card and probably I lost all the footage. Anyway, so this LCD, I can repurpose it because I have all the pins here. I can use an Arduino, and same here, it's mentioned here as well. But the bad thing, it's a custom, so there is a figure of human sitting on a chair, so it's not really useful. This is a PIC 16 F75, I believe. '16 PIC 73. It's an 8-bit CMOS flash microcontroller. I don't know if it's programmable or not. And maybe I will keep the whole thing even with the enclosure because we have just 4 pins, which is also easy to program. Now let's open this and see what's inside. Yeah, hard to tell what is it. Well, yeah, I believe it's a media player. Let's check the content of this SD micro USB. I mean USB. So far so good. Android. Yeah, we have music. We have hip hop and rap music. It's really relaxing, so it is a memory stick. And that's it. I kept the transformers, these valves, the solenoids, and of course the pumps, 2 of them, and the motors, and I took a few of the other components like relays and whatever. And let me just give you a quick look what's inside this pump. That's it. This shaft will move left and right, and we have a pump here and here,
and they will generate pressure. That's pretty much everything. Thank you for watching.